I
Ramadan.
want to talk about my first impressions of
Impresi
Ramadan
pertama
and
dia
about
tentang
what
Ramadan.
do I think now after 4 years
4
of
tahun,
knowing
selepas
this
4 tahun lah.
tradition or festivity.
Yo, kumaha damang, salam silaturahmi good people. Ojo lali di subscribe yo channelku. Cewek bule Meksiko ini kaget guys, culture shock sama budaya Ramadan di Indonesia. Dia bilang di negara dia untuk skip sarapan sejak sesuatu yang tidak normal apalagi berpuasa. Dia kaget saat datang ke Indonesia dan jatuh pada bulan Ramadan. Nah guys, hari ini kita akan react video ini. Assalamualaikum kumaha damang sampurasun sarang wilujeng sumping good people. Moga kawan-kawan dalam keadaan yang sehat, dimurahkan rezeki, dipermudahkan segala urusan dunia dan akhirat. Selamat berpuasa buat kawan-kawan yang berpuasa. Dan kita akan nonton video ini. Seperti apa isi kandungannya? Pastikan nonton sampai tamat supaya tidak ketinggalan dengan video-video yang bakal saya react. Dan kawan-kawan, ojo lali di subscribe dan tanpa buang-buang waktu. Let's go, kita nonton. 1, 2.
Cultural shock as a Mexican living in Indonesia. You know what part is it? Today I want to talk about something very hard.
Dia mau cakap tentang
Hard to
sesuatu yang
express
susah.
because it's about religion
Okay,
and it's
tentang agama.
specifically about Ramadan. I
Ramadan.
want to talk about my first impressions of Ramadan
Impresi pertama
and
dia
about
tentang
what
Ramadan.
do I think now after 4 years
4
of
tahun,
knowing
selepas
this
4 tahun lah.
tradition or festivity. My first approach with Ramadan was in 2019.
2019.
I want you to know that I never heard of this.
Ini pertama kali
Maybe
dia
I was
datang.
so ignorant, but I never heard from this because in Mexico, my circle and the people that I knew is not Muslim. They have other
bukan Muslim.
religions, so I didn't have any friend who could share anything about this with me, or anyone close that I could see that they were doing Ramadan. So when I first arrived to Indonesia, a couple of days later, Ramadan started, and I was very shocked. I was truly shocked, and I couldn't understand why people did this fasting.
Dia tidak tahu
Well,
kenapa.
in Mexico, skipping breakfast is not something common. Nowadays
Skip
it could be, but
puasa
it's
saja
not
pun,
something
yes.
that you would do because we believe that breakfast is the most important meal of the day and it's what will give you the energy for the whole day. So that was one of the reasons why I thought it was unhealthy. When they explained me, it made sense, but still in my head it was like, this is not good. It's not healthy to starve.
Tidak
It's
bagus
not
untuk
especially
berlapar,
for
dia bilang.
kids. I know they do sometimes a shorter fasting, but I think it's very hard to say no to a kid when it's hungry. Like, I was thinking all those things. It was very new to me, and I didn't see why people should stop eating for that long, especially based on healthy. I thought it wasn't very healthy. I didn't want to say anything or to
Dia
talk
belum
about this with
paham
anyone because I know it could
kenapa
be
orang berpuasa.
disrespectful to say it that way. So I just thought about it. I didn't say anything. I just respected, and of course, the first time that I was there, I didn't even feel interested in trying
Dia
to
langsung
do the
tidak berminat.
fasting. It was until I met my husband that I talked a little bit more about this, about my thoughts, about why people has to starve, about how unhealthy it could be, all my thoughts about this.
Selepas 4 tahun,
Today, after 4
pikiran
years
dia
of
berubah
knowing
tentang
this,
Indonesia.
my mind changed. I don't really think it's unhealthy as I thought before because years after I have been doing intermittent fasting and I love it, and I find out it's not that unhealthy. It's actually very healthy if you do it consciously and you have good basis to do it and you know how to break fasting correctly and everything. Well, all in all, after years of knowing this and after having the opportunity of listening what it means to the people and how it is done and what exceptions you have with the people that is sick, with the kids, with the girls that could be in their period, etc. How kids love this. I at first I thought like, how could kids love not
Oh.
eating? But yes, like my husband told me, it was like Christmas for you maybe this period. It was something very
Ini
exciting. We
pengalaman
were
jujur
happy
dia
to
tuh nih
wake
guys.
up at the midnight
Perkongsian jujur bule tentang Ramadan di
and to
Indonesia.
eat, and then it was something very meaningful and very nice for him. So I think I started seeing it with different eyes, and also spending the time with his family, especially after Ramadan.
Pertama kali dia
Hari
sampai,
Raya,
dia pikir
I really
puasa
enjoyed
itu tidak
this,
sehat.
and I don't know, I just see it differently. The first thoughts that cross my mind are not there anymore. Whenever we have kids, I would like them to try
Culture shock yang
something
rusak.
that my husband really enjoy as a kid. And I don't know, maybe I could try as well. But that was a big cultural shock for me. It is not anymore.
Oke guys,
Now
jadi
I
demikian
understand a
video
little
baru
bit
kita
more
nonton bareng. Itu
how
perkongsian bule paling jujur
it
pernah
is
saya
something
dengar.
very
Saat mula-mula datang di Indonesia,
important
dia
and that
pikir
people
puasa
really
itu
cherish,
sesuatu
and
yang tidak sehat.
it's
Kenapa
just
satu negara
something that
ini
could be very special.
tidak mau makan?
So that's
Sedangkan di Meksiko saja tidak makan sarapan saja sesuatu yang sangat buruk, dia bilang. Jadi selama berada di Indonesia, sampailah dia ketemu sama suami dia, kan akhirnya baru dia tahu yang di Indonesia ini budaya, bukan lagi budaya, bila sampai Ramadan sesuatu yang sangat ditunggu-tunggu. Dan bila sekarang dia pun sudah mulai enjoy tentang puasa bulan Ramadan ini guys. Nah itulah kehebatan bulan puasa ini, dapat memberi hidayah sama siapa saja yang mau, yang dikehendakinya, yang Maha Esa ini, Maha Esa. Jadi demikian video baru kita nonton. Apa pendapat kawan-kawan? Coba komen di ruang kolom komentar ya bang. Moga video yang saya bawakan ini kalian suka, dan sampai kita ketemu lagi di video yang akan datang. Terima kasih sudah menonton. Assalamualaikum, jumpa lagi good people.